After showing the first images of the distinctively styled 2025 Kia K4 compact sedan, Kia is now revealing a lot more about this replacement for the Forte. The new K4 is a bit larger than its predecessor, offers new features, and comes with mostly carryover powertrains. The lower trims have the same powertrain as the Forte, a 147 horsepower 2.0-liter inline-four and a continuously variable automatic transmission. The GT line turbo comes with a turbocharged 1.6-liter inline-four like the old Forte GT, but this combination is slightly different in the K4. Here, it makes 190 horsepower, a drop of 11 horsepower compared with before. The sedan also swaps the previous 6-speed manual and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmissions for a conventional torque converter 8-speed automatic. The K4 measures 185.4 inches long and 72.8 inches wide, increases of nearly 3 inches in length and 2 inches in width compared with the Forte. Kia says this provides more rear legroom than the Forte.